All right, we are back in the kitchen. I really know how to, I'll give you a tour. Cabinets, you know, got all the essentials. What else you need, right? There, yeah, random stuff. It's in the fridge. Well, guess we work with what we got then, huh? And let's see. And since I don't have any mustard, mayonnaise, or anything like that, we're using Chipotle Tabasco sauce as, I don't even know what, but I guess your condiment, maybe. That makes sense. So it's gonna be a spicy one. That's fine. Keep me on my toes. Then a little salt, a little pepper. Not much salt left. That's the thumbs right there.